minute, boy.
Get me coming out! Get it with a grenade!
I've got fuck! I've got fuck! Get in there, get in there, get in there! Drop the fuck! Hit! Elbow wall, guys, back wall. Movement, Alex, yeah, right.
Let's go upstairs, by the way.
Okay, man in, maybe man in. Man behind the safety area! Right up, right up!
Go! Bugger. Game over!
Why don't we just sub this one and do a totally different game? Sorry, did I say that?
What would you like to do?
Well, I don't know. I meant an entirely different arena.
We can go down to D-Day, that's just next to us.
Don't look at me. I'm not excited for everyone. I'm just saying.
Who's at D-Day? When you come out of the boat, you're fucked.
Okay guys, green!
That'd be cool next time.
For the Americans, if you respawn on the pathway just behind the landing craft, okay? For the Germans, obviously in the command post. Okay, green team down the bottom, it's the Americans first of all, please.
Yeah.
When it's done, you can get someone who's got more experience, because they're all inside it and they come running out.
You better give someone a bit more experience.
Thanks.